So after I finish cleansing, I'm just gonna do a little bit of this rose spritzer. We all like a little more moisture. Then I'm gonna take out my Derma Roller, and I've been using this product for over 15 years. Right now I'm using 1 millimeter, sorry. Before I was using something smaller. I mean, you could see these needles are a little, I don't know if you can see, there you go. They're a little bit longer. So you can see my skin is getting really red. Okay, so this is definitely one of my secrets. We sell, this one is made by Alitura. We sell it on the Reshape Live website in the shop section. This is absolutely 100% a total game changer. If you're not doing this, you should be. What it is creating these little, it's damaging the surface of your skin and forcing your skin to build more collagen or create more collagen. Also, it's creating these little tiny pathways where, so when you put your skincare on, see how it's getting red? Nice and rosy. Your skincare can absorb better into your skin. So basically, I sort of do it my own way, and I'm not telling you exactly how to do it. The goal is to do it 5 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't always do that. I mean, it just depends how much time I have. I mean, the key when you get any of these tools, right, is to use them. The reason why I've been using this for 15 plus years is because I've seen the result. Like, I'm getting a little saggy underneath my chin. So I got to go a little bit more here. You know, if you have scars from blemishes, if you're noticing, like for me, I'm getting a little crepey here. So I just want to create a little more damage here to build up that collagen. Look, I could go to town with this thing all day long. It's like one of my favorites. I'll go down my neck. I never forget, you know, my chest area. That also needs lots of love. Again, this needle is a little more aggressive, but I've been doing it for so long, I'm fine with that. So after I do that, I'm gonna start applying my skincare.
Hey everybody, Dr. Michael Bruce, the sleep doctor here, and we are having quite an interview. We are on